We're asked to solve the equation 3 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x equal to 27 to the power of x. What is the first step? We are going to transform all these bases to the same base, right? Because I observe both 9 and 27 can be transformed to the base of 3. So 3 to the power of x remain the same, 3 to the power of x. But 9 can be written as 3 squared. So we have 3 squared, but we have another x to the top. This is equal to 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So we have 3 to the power of 3, but we have our x. So substitution. I would like to let y to be equal to 3 to the power of x. Therefore, our equation becomes y plus y squared equal to y to the third power. If you rearrange this, you have y to the third power. If y squared crosses over, it becomes negative y squared. If y crosses over, it becomes negative as well. The whole of this equal to 0. What do we have in common is y. So let's factor it out. We have y inside, we have y squared minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So it means that y could either be equal to 0 or y squared minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So from here we can discard this solution. Why? Because there is no way 3 to the power of x will be equal to 0 because y is equal to 0. So this is not true. Well, let's concentrate on the quadratic equation. And we cannot factorize it, but we can solve it using the formula. So y will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. A is what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1, and c equal to negative 1. So let's substitute. Y is now equal to minus b, but b is already negative, so it becomes positive 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared, negative 1 all squared, minus 4 times a times c, divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Y is now equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of what? Negative 1 squared is 1. 4 times 1 is 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And we have another negative here, so it becomes positive. So we have 1 plus 4 divided by 2. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is the same thing as 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all divided by 2. So we have two values of y. Y could either be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or y equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. You should know that square root of 5 is greater than 1. Therefore, this is a negative result because 1 minus square root of 5 will give us negative result. Therefore, we are going to discard this solution because there is no way this 3 to the power of x will be negative. It's not possible. So we are going to consider this one as our solution. So one thing you should remember is that y was 3 to the power of x. Therefore, we are going to set 3 to the power of x to be equal to y, which we have here as 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So we have 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So now let us take log to the base 3 of both sides. We have log to the base 3 of 3 to the power of x. This is equal to log to the base 3 of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. From here, this will cancel this. What do we have is x. X finally equal to log to the base 3 of the whole of this 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. and hence this is the real value of x that can satisfy our exponential equation. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.